First fruits of harvest. Umoja, uhuru, unity and freedom. Ujima, ujama, kuumba. Kujitagalia, imani and nia. First fruits of harvest. Umoja, uhuru, unity and freedom. Ujima, ujama, kuumba. Working together, creative. Kujitagalia, self-determination. Imani and nia. Faith and purpose. Umoja in Africa and the Americas. Umoja in the islands of the sea. Umoja throughout the diaspora. Hisab and Imani. What's the festival celebrate?
Hi, my name is Kashaya Edmond and I am a student worker for the Office of CEDI. The first principle of Kwanzaa is Umoja. Here at Nevada State College, we strive to create unity through outreach and collaboration. Despite our differences here at Nevada State College, we work together as one big happy Scorpion family.
Hi, my name is Devin. I am a freshman here at Nevada State College, and I'm probably one of the most fabulous people you'll ever meet in your life. Anyways, my word is kujichagulia, which means to define ourselves, name ourselves, create ourselves, and speak for ourselves. Kujichagulia is self-determination. And self-determination to me is one of the most important things you can have in life, really. Like, I am one of the most, I believe in manifestations and all of that. And if you want something, you're going to get it if you chase that. And for me, I manifest every morning when I wake up. I tell myself, I'm gonna have a great day. And I usually have a great day, keep a smile on my face and keep it moving. And really, it's such a big thing to carry self-determination with you and in your life, because if you have self-determination, you can pretty much make it anywhere, because people aren't going to want someone who's not as confident in themselves. They're going to want someone who knows what they want someone who goes for what they want and gets what they want. And that's the kind of person I am. And that's why self-determination is important to me. And that's why Kujitagalia is super important in Kwanzaa.
Hello everyone, my name is Jasan Collier. I am a student here at NSC. I am currently a sophomore credit-wise, junior chronological-wise. This is my third year of college. And yeah, I'm currently a visual media major. I am glad to be here. NSC is a really cool school. I really like everyone I've met here, very inclusive, and just everyone seems to have really good vibes, and that's always good. So, Kujichagulia is my favorite Kwanzaa principle, because ultimately I feel like it's basically is the thing that determines whether you get up in the morning or not. You gotta be determined to take care of yourself even when things get busy. And that's what the thing Dad tells me all the time. It's something that I'm having to learn. It's like, no matter how crazy things get, you gotta still take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, then it's like you're not gonna be able to fulfill the goals that you set out to do. Because that'd be like running a marathon without taking any water with you. It's like you're basically kind of self-sabotaging yourself by trying to go all this time without eating anything, or neglecting some basic self-care, and still thinking that, oh yeah, I'll get this thing done to the best of my ability. So. And I guess the best way I can summarize this is that self-determination is my favorite principle overall, because I feel that without self-determination, you really can't have any of the other principles that require teamwork, because you haven't gotten yourself together yet. You need to get yourself together first before you can really do the other principles that involve teamwork and other things like that. So that's why I like self-determination. Hey dude, it's the voice inside your head. You know that you have an essay due at midnight tonight, right? of course I do. Yeah, no, I'll get to it, I will. But before I do that, let me go on YouTube, search up a few videos. Watching one or two, I'll be fine. You feel me though? On second thought, let me go to Google instead. Search up several of the questions that I have in my head. Like, why are anime characters constantly dripped out? Why do social justice warriors constantly flip out? Why is pink bubble gum meant to be spit out? Why does a plant like marijuana make you trip out? Oh, let me go on Reddit. I'm sneaky just like a bandit. Nobody will understand it, but knowledge I be expanded. I always be asking questions. I'm open to all suggestions. I'm doing all of this playing. This music, it got me jamming. Blasting the off season. I don't need a reason. I like my meat seasoned a beast, and I mean it. Oh crap, I see moonlight. Oh crap, it's nearly midnight. Oh crap, I'm out of insight. It's on, so get your act right. Oh crap, what do I do? Dog too long, it's 11:32. Got nothing type, but a lot to lose. Where to start? I have a clue. An essay about what's a political topic? Can it be easy and political nonsense? Can it be about a bowl of ramen or maybe how to win a public auction? I forget it, gotta get writing. I forget it, gotta stop whining. Gotta get some words on this paper. Gotta make sure I don't wake my neighbor. Go use your friend to look it up. Oh, you're right, hook me up. So many choices, what should I choose? Means you can't get nothing to lose. Now right, type, fight, type. Get your sources, calm your horses, put what you can, make sound important. Now right, type, say, fight, type, submit. Phew. See? I told you I would get it. I told you, and you didn't believe me.
Go to sleep, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Good night.
Hi guys, I'm Laurel Bell, and I am a freshman here at Nevada State College, and I have the third principle of Kwanzaa, which is Ujima, and that means to collective work and responsibility to build and maintain our community together, making our brothers and sister problems our own, and efforts to solving them together. That's important to me because it would help us all be able to build a sense of teamwork, and we would be able to come together and help each other out, because it's okay to ask for help, especially when you need it. So that's why it's okay for us. We should be able to always come together and say, hey, do you need anything? If so, I can help you out. And if we could all do that, the world would be a better place.
Ujamaa, cooperative economics. To build and maintain our stores, shops, and other businesses, and to profit from them together. I try to live by this principle by being fiscally responsible and encouraging others in my community to do the same. Being fiscally responsible means saving money and making sound, informed investments that will allow me the ability to support causes and businesses that benefit my community. It can also produce generational wealth, which will give future generations seed money to start their businesses.
Hi guys, I'm Kirsten Ross and I'm a freshman at Nevada State College. I have the fifth day of Kwanzaa, which is Nia, meaning purpose, which means to make our collective vocation to the building and developing of our community in order to restore our people to their traditional greatness. A lot of people don't know that they actually do have purpose. It's actually your motivations and your decisions of what you have planned and designed. I actually got to know what kind of future I want. I'm going into education and for early childhood. So becoming a teacher at 4th grade, I got to teach my first grade class. For everyone, even if they feel like they don't have a purpose, whether it's a small or big one, everyone has one.
Hi, my name is Essence Lewis, and I am a freshman at Nevada State College, and I'm a pre-nursing major. And for my day, Kwanzaa, Kumba, creativity, to always do as much as we can in the way we can in order to leave our community more beautiful and more beneficial than we inherited. And to me, creativity is when I paint. And so for my day, I will be painting and giving back to my loved ones and family members. So think about what you could do for your community and how you can make it more beneficial than we inherited.
Hi, my name is Shania and I'm a freshman here at Nevada State. The seventh principle of Kwanzaa is Imani, which means to have faith, which is to believe with all our hearts in our people, our parents, our teachers, our leaders, and the righteousness and the victory of our struggle. To me, having faith in my best self has honestly got me through my first semester here at Nevada State, to believe that I can make it and graduate Nevada State with the highest of honors and the respect of all my mentors. It means the world to me, and I have to have faith in everyone around me to be their best selves. I think that having faith produces the manifestation in your life that anything that you want to achieve is possible. Also, Imani being the seventh principle of Kwanzaa, it goes hand in hand with the first principle of Kwanzaa, which is unity. And without unity, which binds us all together, you have to have faith to maintain those relationships that everyone will love and appreciate you and be there in your time of need. So always have faith in yourself and everyone around you to produce the best possible outcome in your life.
So my name is Ashley Bowman, and I want to share with you my favorite Kwanzaa principle. My favorite principle is Imani, which means faith. So faith is really important to me. Faith can be religious, it can be spiritual. It's whatever connects you to that higher being or that strength or that power that gives you the energy and the ability to tap into these areas in your life that you want to do more in or that you want to be more in. So to me, that's what faith means. It's definitely my favorite principle, hands down. So any chance I get, I'm always trying to share faith with other people. I learned a lot about faith while attending Nevada State College. I'm affiliated with Nevada State College because I studied pre-nursing and deaf studies there. I learned a lot about inclusiveness at Nevada State College, about diversity, about culture, about faith, about understanding, about opportunity. And I think all of these things tie into the season that we're in, the season of giving, the season of loving, the season of self-discovery, and I feel like all these things connect and engage us. So those are just some of the things that I learned from Nevada State College. I'm forever embedded in Nevada State College. I'm thankful for the opportunities that were open to me while attending there, and I am definitely excited for the season that we're in. Just let me cry. We don't get another lifetime. I keep my head to the sky. I keep my head to the sky. Invest in myself. I don't need no more help. It's distasteful what you did to me. I used to drink to master shit, now I spit. Getting older, heart getting colder. Still hoping for Jesus to save my soul in. I'm writing and I'm token, reciting that I'm chosen. Tell God I love him and I know this. My brothers Adrian and Paul prodigy. Please hold me to it. All the shit I see, write and read, I'ma do it. One thing about me, I'ma use all my abilities. You tried to break me, you ain't no friend of me. The people I ride for, they kenning me. You're not my enemy. I'm angry, so I'm pissed off from the start of it. Writing cause it feels good to my soul and shit. Don't go with whichever way the wind blows. So I write to keep my mind afloat. I don't smoke as much when I think of you. Spending time alone is my favorite view. Learning from my desires, feeling good to acknowledge what's real. Angry as hell, love spell, last tell, broken heart, lashing out, breaking your statue of, give me my platform or else. Regaining my peace and my sanity. I wear my feelings in my hair, let's dive into reality. Blink of an eye, it's a magic trick. I attract what I give into. Blink of an eye, it's a magic trick. Probably distracted in the act of it. Live footage from my IG stories, no memories. Triggered moments in my cochlea. In my mirror, yes, I'm spiritual, but the beauty is a beast because of what you did to her. What magical things been unlocked to you? What aspirations you got for the next few years? Let's debate why psychology is relevant or what shit you connected with. Hard times flushed my mental state. I'm drawn to you with no confidence. City of found dreams, I could be anything. Faith the size of a boxing ring. Did that shit make you feel superior? Fuck you, I feel whole again. just let me cry. We don't get another lifetime. I keep my head to the sky. I keep my head to the sky. Invest in myself, I don't need no more help. I take whatever opportunity is given to me. And that little fake tried me while working in the industry. 2 more years, I'ma have my nursing degree. License up, might get a strap to go with it. Devil keep tugging me, bars come in my sleep. Indefinitely, you can't take this from me. Wherever I go is my Covington. I'm dreaming better than I'm seeing what's in front of me. And my greatest love is actually advocacy, but I'm big on you hearing me. So as long as you listening, I put my soul in the shit, my personality. I'm switching from coffee to tea. I write in my sleep, I'm falling too deep. Photographic memory, like Christina Yang from Grey's Anatomy. Shonda Rhimes is a black queen, leveled up the picture of black people on the big screen. When you look at me, I know what you see. Whatever picture you painted, whatever picture they painted of us, you took it and ran with it. I stand on it, I'm not looking for compliments. Flights from the boot to Vegas to Cali for support from my family. You're expired, left with her to some comedy shit, adore. I know you remember this here. If I'm sleeping more, I'm focused. That's when I feel the purest depression, no. They want my image as a sex symbol, so I gotta adjust and make my statement clear. Anybody that ever gave me an opportunity, I'm thriving on it. And they only praise me if I'm showing skin. Money, sex, drugs, lifeline on the table. I'm on my best behavior though. I go a cappella, so you can feel my emotion here. When I was with you, I was losing, so now I'm choosing, I never lose here.
All right, so 2 things. Foundations of my faith. The Bible, okay? And then I have a ton of these, but my journals. I like to write, so I like to write things into existence. One thing I learned from being a part of like networks and groups, I learned this in student government at Nevada State College, and also through New Educational Women's Leadership with UNLV, the Women's Research Institute. Write things to yourself and read them later on. So this month for Kwanzaa, for the CEDI celebration, my favorite principle that I'm sharing with you all is Imani, which means faith. So I'm gonna write faith, and I'm gonna put it in here, and I am going to open it up maybe in a couple weeks or a couple months and just read it and see how you feel. So I encourage you guys to do the same thing. I think it's fun. I'm gonna rip out a paper real quick. And just see where your faith takes you over the next course of the weeks, months, faith, until we look at it again. So warm blessings through the season. Everybody being joyful, be in great spirits, and write to yourself. Tell me what your favorite principle is. Share it with us, and look at it later. Peace and love.
First fruits of harvest, umoja, unity and freedom, ujima, ujama, kulumba, kujitagalia, imani and nia.